Hello everyone, Philip from BlackBull Markets here, back again with another Whiteboard Wizards video. This one we'll be taking you through is demo versus the live accounts, and just the main structures. So it's going to be a nice quick video just to explain this for a lot of people. So starting off with a demo account, what are they used for? Firstly, we recommend the demo account to anyone who is new to Forex, who's never done anything of such sorts. This can help you just to get used to the MT4. So we'll start off from here at the bottom. Just learn how to use the platform. So this can be from learning how to set up your charts, what sort of indicators are there, get a feel for what you like to see on the market. That can help out as well with your trading. So we have a couple of videos on this as well. This is under our MT4 tutorials playlist, so have a look at that on our YouTube channel too. Then starting from there, this is where you start to discover a strategy, learn how to, what sort of trader you want to be, whether it's a swing trader, day trader, scalper, and more investing sort of thing. So then we move on to some of the other differences. So now we look at when you start to place a trade. Obviously you're not using real money, so you will be using fake funds. So this is nothing to worry about. If you do lose money in the account, it won't affect you financially. So obviously it's just plain money to start off with. And then we also, one of the bigger points on the demo account is instant entry or instant execution as well. So how this works is when you press the button, no matter what the market conditions are, you get entered into the market instantly with you're using a micro lot like a 0.01. That as soon as you press it, your trade will be activated. Now compared to the live account, we move to that as soon as, if there's a big news event or you're in low liquidity times, just keep in mind this is not always the case. So you can sometimes get delayed. How it does work is, we did make a video about it, but a quick update is we do have, what we have is the liquidity pool. Have all the traders, the buyers and the sellers come in to place their orders. Obviously this has to be balanced for people to get executed. And then how it works is we have the broker, which is us, with our MT4 platform, and then also we have the trader, which is you. So all we do is we just connect you to this liquidity feed. So this is where all the trades happen. Now if you were wanting to place, let's say for example, a buy, and there's not another seller on this side, obviously you'll be placed into the queue waiting for the trade to be executed. Now what a lot of people don't understand as well is that's also when you exit the trade. So obviously when you buy into the market, you are essentially buying the price, but as soon as you get exited, whether it's a stop loss or a take profit, you're essentially now selling back to the market. So obviously on this side, if you enter the trade, there needs to be a seller. So as soon as you close that position via stop loss or take profit, there still has to be someone else on the other side taking the opposite position. So if that's not there, obviously you won't get kicked in. And then moving on to the fact that this is real money. So again, this is when you start to risk your own funds. So a lot of people come from the demo account to the live account. They had a good strategy, but the problem is they had, like, let's say, a $50,000 account, which is the normal amount in a demo account. And they come to the live environment, and they put in $10,000 and they trade the same lot sizes. And for some reason, their strategy doesn't work out. Now, the reason is because your psychology starts to kick in, which is also related to the real money. So these two are very closely related. If you start to see this and you'll see your strategy is not working so well because your head starts to play a different game. So use the real account as well. If you want to fund that big amount, that's fine, but use it to learn how to trade with psychology. Master your mind before you start to, I would say, look for bigger lot sizes. This is a big thing you need to do when you come to the live account. Is as soon as that happens, make sure to work with small lot sizes just to get a feel for it of risking funds, because you will see it tick, and that's the thing you don't want to focus on, is your money ticking. So you want to focus on the good trades. And then obviously, like we said, real money. So again, that's the difference, is real money versus fake money in the live account. So I hope that video does help. If it did, do give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Don't forget to watch all the other videos to make more sense of how the sort of trading does work. So that's a good video to watch as well. Also, if you want to get in contact with us, please do so. You can click the little green button on our website that says live chat, or if you want to email us, give us an email at support@blackbullmarkets.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.